morning all. I'm gonna show some different things. We did some new stuff yesterday. So our zucchini, we figured out why we had the end rot on the yellow squash down there. It is due to a lack of or an overwatering situation, or the pollination problem, where the bees are not pollinating. So I'll show you what we learned. When you look at the blooms, these ones that are coming straight up like this, those are male flowers. And then the female flowers actually have fruit behind them. So this is all male flowers on these. Here, you see just a straight up stalks. And the female flowers have fruit. And the fruit, if it's not pollinated, doesn't actually grow, it just rots off. So that's what we were running into. So I have a lot of male flowers on these plants. What we found out is that if you prune the bottom of these plants, you can see we cut a lot off of it. You see a pile of debris here from what we pruned out of them. We have a lot more blooms this morning than we did before, than we did yesterday. And we pruned it back off with our lettuce. But I'm not seeing any female flowers. Oh, there's a female flower. Okay, so look here. The female flower, let me zoom in on this. The female flower has this fruit behind it. You see that? So that is a female flower. Now it's gonna open and the bees will pollinate from the male flowers to the female flowers. And if it gets pollinated properly, then we will gain a zucchini. But if not, then it does the end rot thing and falls off. So you can see over here, zucchini or yellow squash is actually growing pretty good. I do believe this was a pollinated yellow squash, considering its size and the fact the bloom has fallen off and it's still growing. Over here, looks like we have several more that were the same way. We did lose 2 zucchini to end rot, or yellow squash, I mean, to end rot, but other than that, we are in good shape. You can kind of see how that's working. All right.